fly. New Wildhawk! This is my plane. This plane, and he says he does not want to touch it or touch the radio, but maybe just help me get it out of the box. So what we're gonna do is a Wildhawk Chronicles. Dave Geiger is famous for this. He has Wildhawk Chronicles that were just simply awesome. So I'm gonna do a Wildhawk Chronicle like Dave did, but a kid's point of view. I'm just learning how to fly, and I know how to fly a teensy little bit. So we're probably expecting this Wildhawk to have a hard life. So we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna learn, and we're gonna share that. Until I get my Wildhawk flying, my dad's gonna fly his old Wildhawk. But with RCDOX, we always have tried to have flying in our videos.
Wildhawk.